All right, number 3, it says find the inverse of the given cubic functions. So finding an inverse, first things first, you need to switch x and y. So I'm going to kind of zoom in so I can write a little bit cleaner. So here we go. Where am I? I want this one. Sorry. So x equals 1/3 y minus 2 cubed plus 5. All right, and we're just resolving for this guy right here. We're resolving for that. Okay, so we'll subtract the 5, so x minus 5. Let's stay consistent. There we go. X minus 5 equals 1/3 y minus 2 cubed. Okay, we're dealing with, next up, we're doing the fraction, which remember, top part multiplies, bottom part divides. So we need to, instead of dividing by 3, we need to multiply both sides by 3. So what's going to happen? Let me erase that to clean it up. We're going to multiply the right by 3. We're going to multiply the left by 3. Therefore, canceling those out. So that becomes 3x minus 15. Stable this so it doesn't bounce all over the place. Equals y minus 2 cubed. All right, from here, to get rid of the cube root, you cube root both sides. Okay, slide up a little bit. So we got the third root of 3x minus 15. 15 equals y minus 2. And then last but not least, you got a minus 2 over here, so you have to add 2. So it becomes a 2 plus the third root of 3x minus 15. All right, equals y. Now again, if you want to put this out back, you can write it like this. 3x minus 15 plus 2 on the back. That's fine. These are synonymous. The difference is you just need to make sure that this line right here stops at the end of the 15. Don't get sloppy and carried over to there, because then I don't know, well, is it under the radical or not, that sort of thing. Cool? You just got to be careful the way you write it. And I'm sure you're fine doing that, but anyways. And also, it's considered proper. It's just like proper notation to put it up front, but again, there's nothing wrong with this. All right? Number 4. So let me pause the video if you want to copy this. All right, letter number 4. Let's scoot over to number 4. Same idea. Switch x and y. Oh my goodness, why is there an x right there? First things first, scratch that sucker out. Yeah, that ain't right. I don't know what. I found 2 typos already. So x equals 4 times 3x minus 5 cubed minus 1. All right, so again, we're doing reverse PEMDAS. So PEMDAS. So start with subtracting and adding. So we'll add the 1. So x plus 1 equals 4, 3x minus 5 cubed. All right, we'll do with the 4. The 4 is multiplying, so we'll divide everything on left and right by 4. And there's nothing to reduce, so just leave it like a big fraction. Wow, that just does not want to pick up the strokes. Equals 3x minus 5 cubed. All right, you got the root, so third root. We've got the third root of x plus 1 over 4 equals 3x minus 5. 5, slide up. And from here, we got to take care of the inside, though, that negative 5 and the positive 3. So start with the adding and subtracting, so that's negative 5, so we'll add 5. 5 plus the third root of x plus 1 over 4 equals 3x. And then last but not least, we'll divide everything by 3. So last but not least, you finally get, why am I writing an x on the right side? I just realized I've been doing this the whole time and nobody has corrected me. I know, y'all aren't there to correct me. This is supposed to be a y, a y, a y, a y, and a y. So y equals 5 plus the third root of x plus 1 over 4 divided by 3. And that is your final answer.